Sain koko ajan Death Machinea. Joo. Jokaisesta soupista
Hello, my name is Jack, and today I will be trying out a taste test of these two flavoured drinks. Now, we obviously haven't been able to show you the names of them for copyright reasons. However, we'll refer to them as red drink, or red can, and blue drink, or blue can. Now, to make this taste test fair, I'm going to wear this belt to avoid from favouritism, as I happen to prefer blue as a colour. And I honestly don't really know that much about how these taste, because I don't drink soda, as I have a belief that everyone who drinks soda will go to hell. But that's just my personal belief, so I don't want that to interfere in the video. Right, so let's get this belt on. Right, okay, it's a leather belt of my friend. Don't know what he's been doing with it. It's a bit sticky, so I'm a bit dubious about doing this. It smells a little strange as well. Right, okay, it's nice and tight. Okay, there we go. I think that's tight enough. Right, okay. Could you please pass me the first can? Thank you. Okay, I've got the hole. Alright, okay. I'm now going to take the first drink from the first can. Alright, okay. Can I have the second can, please? Thank you. Alright, okay, let's try this second can. Oh god, that's awful. That is really awful. I think that's the red one, because I do not like the colour red at all. Alright, okay. Was I right? Oh, so it was the blue one was the second one. Well, I think we've learned a valuable lesson from this. Clearly, blue can is inferior to red can. Alright. For more videos like this, yeah.